Today we are gonna be doing some more Tic Tac Toe. So the best starting move according to me is the corner, because if they play in 8 places they lose. Only in one place does it result in a draw, and even that it still has 2 possibility of losses. So according to me, this is the best move for starting. Now let's cover every losing first, then we'll come on the draw. So if they play in the edge, basically you go in the bottom corner and we get a win for ourselves. Next, if they play in another corner, we go for another win with a double attack in the other corner. Now they have to block one and we win. Now if they go in the next place available, now the bottom corner does not come with an attack, so we go for the top corner, for example. Now we get, well, another double attack and done. Game is done. Next is we are going to not go over the center right now, because that is the winning move, drawing move. Now if they play in the other edge, bottom corner, and done. Oh, be careful here, because you can't play in any of the corners like usual. You have to go in the middle here because there is an attack. So we are done with this again. So next, if they play in the bottom corner where we are normally supposed to go, you go in another corner that is not diagonal to yours. Yeah, you can also go in the diagonal, but I just prefer this. Now they have to block and we make another double attack in the shape of the triangle and we win. Now next of all here, now if they block, we block and the game is done. Again, you just try to make double attacks with the corners. Usually that will just work. So in the last case, they play in the last square, we make the same bottom corner trick. Now we are done. Oh. So now that is the catch with this game. Now if they play in the opposite corner, you block and you can't play in the center, because one of your attacks is already blocked. Thus we can play in the corner and win this game. So that's it for nope. Now we are actually going to move over to the center. So this is another recommendation I recommend, but this I don't always play, because, well, if they play in an edge, yeah, they are doomed because of this double attack method again. So then what is the winning move? Oh, by the way, I forgot to cover the draw move in this. So here, if they go in the center, you have to play in the opposite corner. Now, if they play in any corner, you block them and you automatically have a double attack again. So we are done with that. Actually, no, we still have to cover the edge. Well, if you play in an edge, it's just basically a block chain. I wonder where I've heard that before. Anyway, I'm not referring to that. So we just continue blocking them repeatedly and we are done. So let's cover the other variation, because we have already started it. If they play in an edge, you play in a corner and they're just doomed by block. If you keep just blocking them, you should get a win automatically. It's just easy to remember, and by the way, I invented this method myself. Now, like if they play in a corner, you go in the opposite corner, and now if they play an edge, you win automatically. Like they play in an edge, You either block them or make a triangle. That's it. Or both. If they make an attack, you block it and you automatically have a triangle. Oh, I've never seen this variation before. Oh, well, that's a blockchain. They're actually not dead if they play in like this variation. They're actually not. Oh, yeah, they are. They're actually not dead in this variation. I have not seen that before. This is why I don't recommend this method. I have not seen that ever played in a game. So, whoops. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Bye.